Hello everyone, hope you guys are having a great time. So in today's video, I'm going to be talking about is it okay to skip the gears while driving a manual transmission car. So guys, unlike automatic transmission car, in manual transmission car, we have complete freedom of selecting the gears. Means we can skip the gears if necessary. So guys, in automatic transmission car, what will happen is the car will shift the gears in sequential order. Like if the car is upshifting, it will upshift from first to second, second to third, and third to fourth, and so on. But in manual transmission car, we can select the gears by ourselves, so we can skip the gears. So guys, basically skipping of gears means, let's say the example of skipping the gears while we are upshifting. So in case of upshifting, we can upshift car from like say if we are driving on second gear, then we can directly upshift our car from second to fourth. Means on this case we have skipped the third gear. And in case of downshifting gears, if we are driving on fifth gear, then we can directly downshift from fifth to second. It depends on the condition and the speed of your car. So let's get POV driving and learn in details. So guys, now I am driving on second gear. If I increase the speed of my car, then I can upshift directly from second to fourth. And now I am on fourth gear. Means I have skipped the third gear. That was skipping the gear while upshifting. Now I will show you skipping the gears while downshifting. So guys, now I am driving on fourth gear, and if I have to slow my car, on that case I will first slow my car, press the clutch and shift into second and slowly release the clutch. Means I have shifted directly from fourth to second and I have skipped the third gear. So guys, now I am driving on fourth gear, and if I have to slow my car, first of all I will press the brake and then I will skip the gears directly from fourth to second and slowly release the clutch and gently give a gas. Means I have skipped the third gear while downshifting. So guys, I will show you once again skipping of gears while we are upshifting the gears. Now I am on second gear. Let me increase the speed of my car. Then I can directly upshift into fourth. Slowly release the clutch, but you need to hold the clutch for longer time. Let the revs to drop, and then you can upshift. So now I am on second gear. Let me increase the speed and then press the clutch. Slot the gear into fourth and slowly release the clutch, and we have skipped the third gear. Once again I will show you by skipping the gears while downshifting. So now I am driving on fourth gear, and if I have to reduce the speed of my car, I will press the brake and shift the car in second gear and slowly release the clutch, and I have skipped the third gear. So guys, skipping of gears is completely fine, but you need to make sure that you are selecting the correct gear at the correct speed. So if you have increased the speed of your car, then you can upshift into higher gears by skipping the lower gears. And if you are downshifting, then you need to first reduce the speed of your car. Then you can downshift into the desired gear by skipping the middle gears.